Hello, I've just developed a new scene using OBS Studio and I wanted to share it because I was quite chuffed with myself, but also to show you what we can do in OBS Studio. So my setup for this is that I have Google Slides on one screen, and on that slide I have a large image of a laptop on a desk. This whole image that you see is on a single Google slide. Within that laptop I've added a box for where the screen is, and that box is coloured green. I've then on top of that, on the Google slide, added some post-its, and then I've just added some text on top of the post-its. That's all done, simple slides, PowerPoint skills. On that screen, I have then used that screen within one scene on OBS Studio, and OBS Studio allows us to build scenes and add in different sources. So I have added that scene and I've chroma key filtered out the green from that image, which means that I can overlay it with other images. I've then taken the source from my camera feed and I've put that behind the filter from the other screen. And that means that the green screen effect is applied to the Google slide, making that transparent, and behind that I've got my camera feed, which in OBS you can reshape. So I reshaped that to be more suitable to fit into the laptop. I think this is a brilliant slide. In order to do that, I have learned how to use OBS, which does take some time, but we can do some quite significant things quite quickly, and then it's just a case of using your imagination. I can flick between. This is all being done live. There is no post-production on this, so I've got graphics on a different scene and my whole headshot, so I use this to introduce lectures, and then sometimes I'll flick over to the other screen and I've got slides, and with a bit of practice I could probably have slides on there as well. But I think this scene is strong in itself. It could be used for assessment briefings, assessment feedback, weekly tasks, trying to build short videos into blocks on our VLE rather than having long videos, and this would sit perfectly as an introduction to a task or a summary to a task. I hope you found this useful. I hope it inspires you to have a go with OBS, which I can see myself using for years, and so any skills learnt in OBS will be skills that time is well spent on. Thanks for watching. If you want any more advice on OBS, then I got most of my learning from YouTube, but you can get in touch with me as well. And I hope this has inspired you to think about the different ways in which we can be making video. Just remember, there's no post-production on this. The effort was put in at the start, and I can repurpose these Google Slides for lots of different modules, and it's all set up now in OBS. Now I know how to do it. I can record this quality video really quickly for different topics. So thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful.